present here and to all my fellow listeners. I am Abhi Sharma from grade 9B representing my school, James Millennium School, Sharjah. I am here to present my project techscribe and the idea behind it. So beginning further, the idea behind my project was a very common problem that many of us and the others might have faced with. When roaming around the school, I had witnessed one of my fellow friends from the 6th grade dealing with the problem of a fracture in his hand. The difficulty was it was the time of exam. The next day during exam, he was unable to write anything by himself due to the fracture. And this problem was faced by many others in the school earlier. The students had an individual teacher to help them write the exam. A thought that struck to my mind was that two brains were working simultaneously for a single task, that was to write the exam. That was the time that pointed out my imagination and which inspired me to innovate such a project for my intelligence and which inspired me to help such people in the world who have lost their limbs or who have fractures in their hand, like the children in the school and the amputees. This was the event that led to me making of a smart pen which I had furtherly named the techscribe.
What is techscribe? My name is Obed and I am going to tell you more about our gadget. It is an auto-typing voice recognition machine, in short, computer numerical control, or also known as the CNC machine. It has a pen attached to its front for the logic of texting in the language English. Its prominent components are an Arduino Nano controller, a servo motor, prototyping board, and a USB cable for transferring the data to the Arduino Nano controller, which then mainly supervises its controls and helps in the correct positioning of the pen while writing. It does work by a number of softwares, including those for programming and those for voice recognition. It uses a painting documental software like Inkscape. It can also be used for drawing of figures and pictures by its programming. Its basic functioning includes a person speaking the content to be written, which is then recorded and recognized with the voice recognition software using a microphone. Now, the data from the voice recognition software is uploaded to the programming page, which then and there, with another command or pressing enter, sends the data which is to be written to the Arduino Nano controller, which is then written by the pen, which is attached to the CNC machine.
This project of ours is based on the basic ideology for helping those amputees, those children, and those people in the world who have lost their hand limbs, some integral parts of their arms and their hands, and who suffer from a number of hand damages and hand problems, so that they will again be able to write something. I hope we were able to make you understand about our idea and our project. Your valuable suggestions and questions are welcomed. Thank you.